What's good, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing great. Like always, I'm in a good mood. I hope you are too. If not, I hope this video will make it better. You feel me? Let's just dive right into the video. I'm excited to make some beats. I'm super creative today, so let's just dive right into it. So I got my tempo at 158, and then I got this one shot from producer Grant loaded up. This is not like sponsored or anything. I just bought some new kits and I just wanted to use it. You feel me? So I'm gonna go like this, and then like this. It's simple, but let's just record this in there and go from there. Just wait. This song is super saucy. Let's add this to the mixer and add some portal to like the piano, just to like make it a little bit more saucy. You feel me? Sounding a little bit too simple, but trust me, this is gonna be fire. And what we are going to do now is select everything and then option S. Now we need something to like support the main chords and like the main melody, just like some extra atmosphere in there. Wow. It's been a minute since we made melodies like this on the channel, bro. I'm loving it. I hope you can follow a little bit. I just like added some few effects just to like spice it up a little bit. I added 2 gross beats on like the flute sound. What I also did with that sound is I shortened it right here, and the kickstart just create like some extra rhythm inside of the melody. So let's just add the drums from here and structure the beat while we're doing that. So right here we're going to do split by channel and drag all of these in here, delete these, and then just like copy it over a few times. right, so we'll structure the beat like this. So we'll have the bass come in right here. Maybe right here we'll take the kick out just for some variation. Damn, I really love the beat. I almost say that in every tutorial though, but it really gave me like some Travis Scott, Don Toliver type of vibe. Something really like, I don't know. It sounds like dangerous to me. There's a lot of room for a vocal just to go crazy and to go smooth over it and stuff. Like, I really hope you enjoyed it. I hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to follow me on Instagram @SkindaBeats. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Peace.